So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to convert the coordinates of multiple points into a new coordinate system, like for example from WGS 84 to UTM coordinate system using this software Geographic Calculator. Welcome to GeoCarto, a channel dedicated to GIS, cartography and geoscience. So subscribe if you want to get more tutorials. So we have multiple points with their longitude and latitude in WGS 84 coordinate system, and we want to convert these coordinates into UTM. So we want to convert this point of those points without converting each point separately. So we are going to use this software called Geographic Calculator. So we are going to click on this point database conversion. The first one is the interactive conversion, and it's used when you want to convert each point separately. So we don't want to do this. We want to get the coordinates of our points as a file. So in order to do this, we are going to use this point database conversion. The first thing that we are going to do is to import our Excel. So in order to do this, click on this button, navigate to your work folder, and then click on your Excel. Then click on open. Does the file being loaded have a header? Yes. So here we go. As you can see, we got our Excel file with the points and their longitude and latitude. So now we are going to set the coordinate system of our data. So the interface is pretty simple. Here you can set the coordinate system of your input data. Here you can set the coordinate system of your output results, the coordinate system that you want your points to be projected in. And here the coordinate transformation is applied when you have two different datums. So here the first thing that we are going to do is to create new two columns which will contain our output coordinates. So right click here and then click on insert column. Here we will name it Northern. Then we'll click on OK. And we will create another column for our eastern coordinates. So now I will go ahead and set the coordinate system of my coordinates. Double click on system. And from here you can choose any coordinate system that you want. I will go to Word. And here I will set it to WGS 84. Click on it and I will click on OK. For the units, it's in degree. And here I need to specify the latitude and the longitude column. So for the latitude, I will set it to lat, which is this one. And for the longitude, I will put long, which is this column corresponding to the longitude coordinates. And now for the output coordinates, I want to get my coordinates projected in UTM. So I will double click on system again. And here I will go to projected. I will click on UTM. And I will click on WGS 84. And I will look for the zone corresponding to my area. I'm in Europe, in Switzerland, which is in the zone 32 north, this one. I will click on it and I will click on OK. So the units are in meter. So for the output, I need to specify to this software where to put the northern coordinates and the eastern coordinates according to those two columns that I just created. So for the northern, I will specify the northern column, and for the eastern, I will specify the eastern column. So we are done with our output coordinate system. Now we need to specify where we want to save our output file or output Excel. Click on this button. Specify where you want to save your Excel file, your output Excel file. Name it and then click on save. So now all what we need to do is to click on process. So the software is asking me if I want to save the header information. I will click on yes. After the end of the conversion of the calculation process, we got our northern and eastern coordinates, and we will go ahead and look in our work folder if we got our Excel. So as you can see, the software created a new Excel file with our UTM coordinate. I will double click on it. So here we go. As you can see, we got input coordinate, longitude and latitude, plus the conversion of our coordinates to UTM with the northern and the eastern coordinates. So this is the final result. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you got some value from this tutorial. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.